Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to change content on TikTok feed. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know that how to change content on TikTok feed. You have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on the arrow here, you can see, and you can see different options. You have to click on not interested. If you have to click on not interested, you can see there is report, and after that there is option of not interested. You have to click on the, you have to scroll videos, and on which content you are not interested, click on not interested. And the other way, you have to go to your profile icon, click on the three lines, click on settings and privacy. You have to click on privacy. Here you can see different types of options here. Go back and see activity center, click on activity center, and you can see here watch history, and you have to delete it all history from here. Then that type of content will be blocked. And some other way, you have to click on the free up space and clear all cached it from here, and go to your app and search videos which that what type of content you want. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.